Hi guys, so today I am going to talk about light painting. Light painting is a photography technique where you use light and with the help of long exposure you create beautiful shapes which turn into awesome photographs. So today I'll be talking about the orb, the light orb that looks like a sphere of light, and the tool which I use to create my light orbs and how you can acquire one tool and create your own light orb photographs. So let's begin. First of all, you will require a light which looks something like this. You can easily acquire these LED lights from your nearby electrical shop, or you can search them even online. And if the lights are battery operated, then that's even better. As I could not find a battery operated one, so I had to go with this one, and then I connected this battery with the help of this wire, and then it worked for me. I'll show you. And even for the purpose of not keeping it connected every moment and only to switch it on whenever I want, I use this switch. So you can see that the light glows and you can switch it off when you don't want to use it. This is the tool with which you can create light orbs, and they will give beautiful photographs. I got a yellow colored one. You can use a different colored one, on even you can wrap some gels, some sheets, colored gels, which can help you give different colors to your photographs. I'll show you in a moment how to spin this thing to get the light orb. So see you in a moment. I'll switch the tool on. The light glows, as you can see. On one end, I'll try to keep the switch with the battery, and then you just need to put the LED bulbs nearby to the ground so that it covers the whole area, and then you need to spin. This is the way you will spin, and slowly by slowly you will pivot around the point. After completing the spin, you will get a result like this. The settings which I use are ISO 100. The shutter speed will be in bulb mode, and the f-stop you can adjust according to your preference. But for long exposure, you have to maintain bulb mode. You can complete the circle within whatever required time, but keeping the shutter speed in bulb mode ensures that you close the shutter as soon as you complete the circle. So you either require a wireless trigger or a wired remote to keep the shutter open for the required duration of time. And if you have a IR blaster on your phone, then you can even install the MI remote app, through which you can pair your mobile with the camera and use that as a shutter button instead of touching the camera, so that there are no shakes. If this video helped you, do like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Deepjyoti from the Travel Timer, signing off. Bye bye.